Hi, it's Cindy and Jan on the back roads, and we were in Cincinnati today. And while we normally promote small businesses, today we were visiting some large businesses. In particular, the Container Store and IKEA. You got to get your house organized before you can go out and play. And this actually happened to be a work-related trip. But as luck would have it, the Container Store had a lot of my favorite things on sale, 30% off. I love the home edit line, and that was 30% off. And of course, I love the gadgets. Who doesn't? I don't like the price, but I love the gadgets. I really love these containers. The price is great on them, and they stack well, and they're a good value. If you want to get your husband something, get him something for the garage. We allowed ourselves an hour and a half to shop at the Container Store, and then we were going to go to lunch, and after lunch we went to IKEA. It really wasn't enough time to shop there, but we did plenty of damage in that time. We worked up an appetite. We had lunch here. This restaurant's part of the Kenwood Mall. It's a wonderful restaurant. The food was great. Our server was great. Atmosphere is wonderful. We highly recommend it. If you're going in the evening, you better have reservations because it's hard to get in. The outdoor seating area is darling, but it was too cold for us out there today. But maybe next time. They had a great lunch special. You could pick 2 items of the selected items that they had. They were full-size entrees. We expected them to be small, but nope, they were big. And our server said for $6, you can take home up to 3 of their regular entrees. And they come frozen. One heck of a deal. So several of us took those home. After lunch, we were on our way to IKEA, which we did some more damage there. And the flatbread pizza was wonderful. You'll notice there's no wine involved because this was a work-related trip. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and please subscribe and follow us. We hope to see you on the back roads. And as always, if you know someplace great we should visit, let us know. We're always up for a road trip. Thank you.